So what makes Accoya so special? Wood is an amazing material with many possibilities and practical applications. One of the major drawbacks, however, of wood, especially of softwood, is how it interacts with water. Moisture causes the wood to swell and shrink and accelerates damage and decay. So what actually is acetylation? Wood naturally contains some acetyl groups, but also a lot of free hydroxyl groups, and these are what water binds to, causing all those problems. In our reactors, our process uses acetic anhydride, essentially very strong vinegar, to boost the acetyl content of the wood and replacing those hydroxyl groups, meaning water is no longer an issue. This means we're not adding anything to the wood that wasn't already there, no toxic elements that could later leach out. We are really enhancing the natural qualities of the wood. Even the byproduct of our process is part of the circular economy. Acetic acid is valued on its own right, used in other applications, processes, or even turned back into acetic anhydride, offering a potentially closed loop cycle for our chemistry. We constantly refine and improve our processes to improve quality and efficiency, and investigate the effects with different wood species.